Hello, in this video we're going to replace the fan of this Dell laptop. The model is Dell Inspiron 5770. The fan is making some weird noises and the customer wants us to replace it, so let's start. Basically we have to remove the screws on the back and the back cover should come off. Since we're going to open it and replace the fan, we're going to also replace the thermal paste. I think I have a video about this laptop a few years ago, so this will be a version 2. Sorry about that. Now we have to separate like this. Now the first thing, of course, we'll take out the battery because we don't want to work with the battery plugged in. Now we're going to remove the screws for the fan. We're going to disconnect it. Let's use a smaller screwdriver for this one. This screw is not in a good condition. Now move it a little bit left to right. Like this. And now be careful because there's a cable under the fan, and I think last time when I did this I pulled out the cable, so just be careful when you lift it. That's the whole fan. Now let's clean the paste. With a dry Q-tip, of course. Now let's use some alcohol. We're gonna clean the cooler also. Like this, there's no dust, so we are okay. Let's apply some paste. I broke my syringe, so now I do a little mess. Have to fix it. Now let's put back the cooler. Now let's put the new fan. I hope it's the same. Yep, the same. Now we have to put back the cable and connect the fan, of course. Like this. We're gonna tighten the hinges, of course, because with the time they're getting loose. Now the only thing, of course, we have to plug back the battery. And put back the back cover. When you put back the cover, just first plug the side with the USB and the HDMI, otherwise you may damage the ports. There are two screws here which are missing, which is kind of strange because according to the customer the laptop hasn't been opened before. Let me try to find the screws and put them. Just a second. I think I managed to find two. Yeah, this should be fine. Now let's put back the optical drive and put the last two screws. They're the only shorter screws, the one on the optical drive and the one next to it. Otherwise all the other screws are the same size. So let's check, do we have a picture? I have to plug the charger first. Yeah, we have a picture, and the fan is spinning, but right now it will stop because the laptop is still cold. Basically that's the whole procedure. I hope you like the video. Bye bye for now.